Hello everybody, this is Raphael Reber from Bidstruct Product Management. I will give you today a short introduction on the general UI of our Offer Assistant application, which is available on offer.expertflow.com/beta. What you see here is our entry page, although this might already look different. The point you are looking at it, because we are constantly updating it, and you will also find additional informations and also those tutorial videos on this page. We will now move to the sign in, where you can sign in either with your username and password or using the Google login. Once we've arrived at the entry page, we have different contents. On the left hand side you see the menu section, which will always remain at that place. Then we have the recent offer box, which shows you recently created offers. And same with projects in the green box. Those are projects which have been created within your company recently. And finally the updates box, which isn't active yet but will show an activity stream of your company employees, or in general of the users within your company. Okay, now let us go to the projects page, where you see a list of all projects you have created so far. Those are listed with some additional information, which as you can see, we have name and client as well as partner, and the expected start date, as well as the probability, which gives you an idea of how likely it is to win a certain project. On the top, on the drop down, you can choose whether you want to display all projects or just the one with probability below 20% or above 20%. Okay, let's now head to the offers list, which is essentially pretty similar to the projects list. Here we have the offer's name and some related additional information, such as to which project they belong, which partner and client are involved, and also we make a differentiation between type and state. Now the type shows this kind of a role of a certain offer within one project, and the state, on the other hand side, gives you an idea about how far this offer proceeded in the creation process. As types, we can have either principal, which always marks the main offer, and then alternatives, which are alternatives to the principal offers. For example, if we offer an enterprise contact center in the principal offer, we might also want to include an alternative with Express. So this would be our alternative offer would then be offering an Express contact center. The third type we have is add-on. This means that those include additional services and products. Now as state, we have either draft or configured. Draft means an offer is still in the configurator mode. I will come back to this and explain this further in another video. And configured means that the offer has already passed this step and is now in modification. Last but not least, we will go to the company list. This shows a list of your own private companies, so all companies which were created by users of your company. Regardless of this list, you will also have access to the whole Expertflow network. So while you are creating a project, I will show you this in another video. Okay, now at the end I want to show you also the contact form through which you can give us feedback, request features, or report a bug. Okay, thank you. This was the presentation about the general UI of the application, and we will hear each other in the next video.